in my direction, I'll be out of control.
Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing the Missy Elliott Talk It To Me look, the gold one, where she has the dance sequence, you know, the shoo, 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 shoo. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment down below, let me know what your favorite Missy Elliott video is, you know. But okay, so let's get started. So this is going to be super simple, super easy, because it is top to bottom the same thing, you know. First thing we're going to do, we're going to prime our eyes. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion with an eyeshadow brush, something that you can just fill really quickly. You're going to take a light gold. I'm using this gold from the Morphe 35B palette. Again, I'm doing it from the lid to the brow bone and under my eyes. Now we're going to put gold top to bottom and on the bottom lash line. I'm going to be using this glitter and primer set in the color gold from Magic Collection. I bought this at the beauty supply store. Okay, so this is how it comes. And actually the sifter, it just lifts right off. You get what you pay for. So on top of this, I'm going to be using the NYX glitter primer. Just putting it all over my lid. I brush into the glitter and packing it on. This is gonna be so trash to have to wash off later. So now it's for the lashes. I'm gonna be going in with my 805s from Shop Miss A. These are $1. I'm gonna be using this C'est La Vie eyelash adhesive in dark. It's also $1 I got from Shop Miss A. So I got on my lashes. Now I'm gonna put on some mascara. That is the eyes, okay? This is all that it is. The brows, she has bright red brows. So I'm going in with this lip liner. This is the Annabelle lip liner in the color 205 Cherry. And I'm just gonna be filling in my brows. In the video, Missy's eyebrows were definitely thinner than mine. She had like pencil thin eyebrows. And I'm just gonna try and color correct this darkness in my face just a bit. I'm using the LA Colors Cover Up Pro Concealer Stick, and this is in the color Pure Orange. Now I'm going to be doing my foundation. I'm using, as per usual, the Black Opal Cream Stick Foundation in the color Nutmeg. So now it is time for the concealers. Going in with LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. And it doesn't seem like there's a eyebrow highlight. It's under the eyes and it comes from here and it draws down like this. It comes through the bridge of the nose. There's a more of a forehead than an eyebrow, and on the chin here it looks like it comes all the way across. I like to do my concealer in steps so it doesn't set in certain places and it look crazy. So I'm just going in and I'm going to blend this out with my beauty blender. Kind of want that early 2010s YouTube kind of look where there is that definite line. You want that line that makes your eyes you want that line that makes your eyes look like they're going like. So there you go. Get that. Woo. For the contours, Missy has, especially on her nose, it's very defined. You can tell she's wearing a contour. It looks like a contour. I'm going to go in with a deeper contour than normal. I am using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Mahogany. And the reason why mahogany is a good color is because it is a ashen tone brown, and technically when you're contouring you should be using an ashen tone because that actually looks like what a shadow is. A shadow is not golden brown, it is a darkening of tone. Okay, so now it's time to bake. For my highlights, so I consider this a highlight, a contour, and a mid-tone. Okay, so this one, there was even though I put concealer here, you can see that it's not as bright as up there. So for my highlights, I am mixing Ben Nye's Luxury Powder and Banana and Camel. This makes it so it's not super bright. And I do the same thing how I did with my highlights, so I put it onto the side of my nose. You want to make sure you get it all the way up into that highlight we made. My bridge, I'm just using Banana. Reason being, that is the highest point of your face, so that should be the lightest thing on your face. And for my contour, I'm using the Fit Me powder, the Maybelline Fit Me powder foundation, the color 360 Mocha, as always. And I'm going in with an angled brush. So while this is now baking, you go on to the lips. Missy's lips are outlined in black with a glossy red center. So for the black, I'm just going to be using the same eyeliner pencil that I used in my eye. And for the red, I'm going in with Heart of Fire by House of Beauty. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, oui, oui, monsieur. Just taking a little bit that's off the lid. You don't need a lot. I'm just going to go in with a little bit like that. Now what I would suggest is doing the center first and then going over the lip line, because it isn't red and black. You can tell it's a black lip line, but it's not a separation. Now to brush off the excess from the rest of your face. Now for the blush, because she does have some blush on, there is some warmth to her cheeks. I'm just going in with what? Taj Mahal.
Let's see if you can bring the nasty out of me.
Okay everyone, so this is the finished look. Okay, get into it. But get into it though. I feel kind of cute. But thank you so much for watching. I love each and every one of you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this. If there's any other Missy Elliott videos you want me to do, like this video, share it. You know, all that good stuff. Bye.